got a front butt, you got a back butt. All right, baby. Hey, listen. You know what today is? Today is my Friday. On a Thursday, brave baby. Dude, I love my freaking job. Well, more specifically, the people at work. I've never, like, loved people at work. Except for my Marine Corps boys. What up? Hoorah. Yut. But in a civilian job, I've never really loved anybody. But these freaking people, dude, I love these people, bro. We've got, I mean, obviously, around the kids, we're way different. Around the kids, it's serious business. You know, we can joke around, you know, PG-like. But when we're together, and I hope this is everywhere, but when you get bus drivers together in a room with nothing to do for about a half an hour, holy moly, bro. Talk about rated R, bro. And it's not who you think is like, you know, it's not like the young dudes. I mean, me, yeah, of course. But I have to, you know, I don't know if these old ladies are going to have a heart attack and die if I say the wrong thing. You know, if I get them too excited, they might freaking keel over and pass out and die. But, they're the freaking ones that instigate everything, bro. So, for example, one of the oldest lady there, she's been driving buses since, my kids' parents were in elementary school. 30 freaking dang years ago or so, you know what I mean? Like, golly. And even then she was freaking about to retire. But this one lady, let's call her woman A. So woman A and woman B are there, right? Woman B is our dispatcher. Love her, she's cool. She's just turned 50. And so woman B is saying something about when she was pregnant, there was some stuff that happened, and, you know, just lady problems, you know, being pregnant. Well, so woman A says, well, you shouldn't spread your legs, you whore. And oh my God, dude, so funny, so funny, dude. This one does Amazon just like wear freaking whatever. Sun's out, guns out, right? Amazon, holy moly. God, these ladies are so funny. But at the end of the day, just now, we have a new manager. He's 3 years my senior, and we were worried when we heard we were going to get a new manager. He's military. We're like, oh God. I mean, I'm military, but you know what that means when you get. And this is an officer's position, pretty much. You know, I'm like, this guy must be an officer. There's no way an enlisted man will do this. It's office work. Well, it turns out he's enlisted. But, oh my God. Brain fart. Oh, I'm so sorry. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So I get back, and we're just doing stupid movie quotes. You know, 21 Jump Street, Naked Gun, Airplane, Friday, day after, or yeah, the Friday series, pretty much. We're just, damn, the whole thing. And we got this old black dude. I want to ask him what the civil rights movement was like. I mean, shit, he was alive for it. He was there. He was in that thing. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to remember what movie that was from. We made a quote, and I couldn't remember what movie it was from. And old black dude comes in. It's Friday. It's a Friday after next. I'm like, oh, he pops out of nowhere every time. Every time he says something, he just appears. He's so funny, dude. When he does appear, how y'all doing? We're like, what up, dog? Yo, what up? He's so funny. Let's call him Freddy. We're like, what's up, Freddy? Hey, how y'all doing? And I poke fun at him sometimes. I'm like, Freddy, why are you so snoopy? He's like, what? Well, you're always asking people how they doing. He's like, oh, just trying to know how you're doing. I'm like, yeah, it's none of your business. I'm joking, right? I'm joking. We love him, dude. He comes over the radio. He was just such an old soul, you know, old Southern dude. He's not even from the South, though, man. I think he's from, like, I don't know, Springfield, like Washington or something, or Oregon. I don't know. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. Anyway, I like trying to do his voice. How you doing? How y'all doing? Hey, Freddy. All right. Yeah, he does that too. How y'all doing? I'm like, all right, Freddy. How are you? He's like, I'm all right. I'm like, all right, cool, good. You're smooth. You're cool, Breeze. You're smooth. You're smooth as butter, dude. Jeez. Gee whiz. He's cooler than a cold day in January. You know what I mean? Gee whiz. So anyway, yeah, I love it there, bro. I love it there. Now the kids are a different story. Now I love my kids, mine, because they're mine. You know, I have a special connection with my kids. We're with each other for hours a day. I have the longest route in the district, and so I'm with them for a long time. Pick them up. The earliest one I pick up 6:15. 6:15 in the morning. She's up and ready to rock. Now at my middle and high school, they're pretty much dead first thing in the morning, and yeah, they're just not. They're not ready. Some of them, sometimes, you know, especially on like Fridays when we have late start, they're a little bit more up and chipper. But for the most part, I'm like, good morning. And they're like, I'm like, okay, I get you. I feel you. 100% I'm with you. I was feeling like that about an hour ago, because I've been up since 4. On the road at 4:45. But I spend a lot of time with them, and you know, we've grown together. You know, when I started doing this, I don't know how to handle children. I have one, but you know, as a parent, you don't know how to deal with kids until they're your kid's age, because you know how to deal with your kids, so you know what works with that age group. You know, you don't know how to handle a freaking 17-year-old girl who's on her 3rd period ever. You know what I mean? Like, you don't know how to. I'm not a daughter dad. I'm a man dad. I don't have a girl. I couldn't do that. We were talking about that. One of the ladies who's way more innocent than the rest of them. I was talking to my boss about it, and I'm like, dude, you know, I've thought about it. I'm sure it'd be different if I actually had a little girl, but it's just something about wiping that front butt. You know what I mean? Like, and so she's like, she heard me, but it didn't register right away. You know, bless her. She's not. She does her best. You know what I mean? She's so funny. She just starts. She's like, Tango. I'm like, what? She's like, I don't know what to say. I'm like, well, it's the way God made you. God gave you front butt and a back butt. You know what I mean? Like, just the way it is. That's just the way it is. You got a front butt, you got a back butt. Oh, speaking of old ladies and the whole like rated R stuff, today we had a meeting, and dude, the things that were said, I keep to myself, you know. I let everybody else kind of talk and all that. Like when it's meeting time, I'm there to get the meeting done so we can get the hell out of there. Hold on. We got a cow on the loose. Is that your cow? Yeah, I just went through. Why does she look so familiar? I don't know where I know her from. I know her though. Weird. Oh yeah, anyway, the things that were said, so my boss is like, dude, I'm so glad we don't have an HR department. We're too small for HR. There's like 5 of us. I mean, you know, it's 20 something. But it's like, we're too small for an HR department. And, the things that were said, would make an old man cry, dude. But there's a bunch of old men and old ladies in there anyway. They're crazy. So when someone tells you, would you say that in front of your grandmother? Hell yeah, I'd say that in front of my grandmother, because she's got something 10 times worse to say in retort. You know what I'm saying? Like, these old ladies don't give a damn anymore. Half of them, their husbands are dead. They're just, you know, they come basically to hang out because they're lonely, you know? But they're so funny. It's the ones that don't have a filter, and the ones that don't care. The ones that do care, oh my God, they're insufferable. We got one, well, I can't get her to stop talking. And it's like a reoccurring, you know, ongoing joke in the office. It's like, if you mess up, we're gonna make you go talk to V. And when you go talk to V, you're talking with her for minimum a half an hour. So it's like, if you when she starts to talk, you'll notice a room clear out and there's just one poor soul left there. And you know, she's super nice, she just doesn't know when to stop. Neither does Jay. He does not know when to stop. And I make this joke every now and then. I'm like, I wonder what would happen if you put those two in a room together. Like, who would stop talking first? You know, like, and how would that happen? Would they run out of battery? You know what I mean? Would they run out of freaking breath? Which one would run out of breath first? Bless them all. So yeah, anyway, it's my Friday, baby. I'm very happy. It's a 3-day weekend, Sunday. And then next week is also a 4-day week, but on Wednesday, Thursday, the middle school and the high school, or no, the middle school and the elementary school don't have school. So it's just high school, so I'll have basically half the day. Very excitement on that. So, I hope you frickin' people are having an excellent day today, and I hope you have an excellent day for the rest of the days between today and your last day. May it be far from today, I pray. Thank you for watching and listening. Hit that subscribe button if you like hearing me talk about random crap. I love ya, and I'll see you in the next video.